Hey guys, it's Jordan with National Speed, and today we're showing you how one simple package turns your Hellcat Redeye into a 1,000 wheel horsepower monster. Now, with most platforms, breaking into the 4 digits at the tire is a relatively involved ordeal. But thankfully, the Big Three's given us a few amazing cars that pulls this off with essentially bolt-on modifications and fuel. Ford's 2020 GT500, GM C7 Corvette ZR1, and of course, Mopar's Hellcat Redeye. And with the Hellcat Redeye in particular, this is especially fun as this can all get pulled off with only a few clues left in the engine bay, stock exhaust system, even stock exhaust manifolds. And the crazy thing is that all it takes to pull this off is our Stage-2 plus E85 package. This takes our proven Stage-2 package, which is designed for safe 93 octane pump gas operation, and adds E85 into the equation with the option of more boost. So first, let's review what's included in that proven Stage-2 package. JLT Performance 125mm air intake system, Metco 3.2-inch upper supercharger pulley, TBA machine tensioner and idler pulleys, Stainless Works mid-pipe with EPA-compliant GESI catalytic converters, Kong Performance ported supercharger and snout, Kong Performance 108mm throttle body, Injector Dynamics ID1050X fuel injectors, pin crankshaft, Gates HD Fleet Runner green belt, properly gapped NGK LFR7AIX spark plugs, our in-house PCM unlock with HP tuners, a custom calibration on the dyno to maximize power, drivability, and reliability, and since all Hellcat Redeyes are 2015 or newer, this means that the PCM must be unlocked so that it can be tuned. And on 93 octane pump gas, this package is proven to take a Hellcat Redeye from around 700 to 710 wheel horsepower in stock form up to 840 to 850 wheel horsepower. Now, when customers have E85 available at the pump, this really changes things. And when the customer plans on running only E85, this changes things even more. And the reason this matters is that when running 93 octane, we have to keep boost on the lower side for safe operation. But when you're running E85, this limitation goes entirely out the window. And in this case, John, the owner of this beautiful Hellcat Redeye, was the latter example and upgraded to our Stage-2 plus E85 package. And not only did he opt for that upgrade, he also opted for the extra boost. This adds a 4 Innovations L4 fuel system, Injector Dynamics ID1300X fuel injectors, and an ATI Performance 10% lower supercharger pulley to increase boost up to 20 psi. So what does this translate to on the rollers? Let's find out. Yep, with our Stage-2 plus E85 package, that's 989 wheel horsepower and 875 pound-feet of torque. That's peak gains of an absolutely staggering 288 wheel horsepower and 233 pound-feet of torque, with maximum torque gains coming in at 263 pound-feet. But that's great for someone who's running E85 full-time, but wonder if you want to run 93 octane. Well, with a simple pulley and tune change for safe pump gas operation, this package still lays down an impressive 853 wheel horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. That's peak gains over stock of 152 wheel horsepower and 108 pound-feet of torque, with maximum torque gains coming in at 144 pound-feet. Pretty wild difference over stock, whether you're running E85 or pump gas. And if you're ready for this level of proven performance from your Hellcat Redeye, we're ready to help you get there. Reach out today to learn more.